Welcome to eBits. I'm Ron Sealander, the Director of Engineering for eSwitch. Today, I'd like to introduce to you our WS series. The WS is a single-pole, double-throw, sealed snap-action switch. The WS carries an IP67 rating for dust and moisture protection. There are three options for actuation: a standard pin plunger design, and a 20mm elongated lever, which allows for additional pre-travel and over-travel if that is something you're looking for in your application. And the third is a 15mm simulated roller. The pin plunger and simulated roller requires 70 grams of operating force to actuate the switch, while the elongated lever utilizes an operating force of 50 grams. The WS offers three types of termination options: PCB pins to allow the switch to be soldered to a printed circuit board, solder lugs, which allow you to solder wires directly to the switch terminals, or wires already attached to the switch in 300mm in length. The WS Snap Action switch is a great choice for outdoor or rugged environments with its IP67 rating, and also in high-use applications such as electrical houseware appliances, vending machines, medical equipment, HVAC systems, and white good products. Visit our website at e-switch.com to get more information on the WS series or any of our other products today. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you next time.